How to turn on SSL certificate on Wix. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can easily enable or turn on SSL certificate on Wix. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through quick with this video. In order to turn on SSL certificate, you can simply head into the Wix website first to wix.com. Once you're on wix.com, you wanna first then next sign into your account. Now in my case here, I'm already signed in. So once you're signed in, what you want to do is you want to head into your domain. Now in order to do so, here I haven't connected a domain, but you can connect the domain, right? Then once you have your domain, you can simply head into the settings on the Wix dashboard. From the settings, you'll get the domain option. You can tap on domain option, and if you do have a domain there on your domain page, you should be able to find the option to turn on SSL. You can enable it easily there. So this is how you can turn on SSL certificate on Wix website. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.